When a loved one dies in Louisiana, the succession process can feel overwhelming. One of the most effective and often overlooked ways to make the succession easier is something called independent administration. In this video, I want to explain what independent administration is, how it works under Louisiana law, and why it can significantly reduce time, expense, and frustration for families. Under Louisiana law, independent administration allows the executor, if there's a will, or the administrator, if there's no will, of an estate to handle many routine succession tasks without going back to court for approval each step of the way. In a traditional succession, actions like selling property, paying debts, or managing assets may require court oversight. Independent administration streamlines that process by giving the personal representative, executor of the will, or administrator of an estate if there's no will. So the independent administration streamlines this process by giving that personal representative more authority to act efficiently. Independent administration can be authorized in a few different ways. Most commonly, it's expressly granted in a will, where the person creating the will states that they want the executor to act independently. In some cases, independent administration can also be approved if all heirs agree. Planning ahead by including this authority in a will is usually the simplest and cleanest approach. When independent administration is properly in place, the benefits can be substantial. Successions often move faster, legal fees may be lower, and families avoid unnecessary court delays. It also gives the executor or the administrator flexibility to respond to real-world issues such as selling a home or managing financial accounts without waiting weeks or months for court approval. That said, independent administration does not mean that there's no oversight at all. The executor or administrator still owes fiduciary duties to the heirs and must act responsibly and transparently. Independent administration is about efficiency, not removing accountability. It's also important to understand that independent administration must be properly authorized. If a will does not include independent administration language, or the heirs do not unanimously agree, the succession may default to a more court-supervised process. This is why planning ahead makes such a difference. The key takeaway is this: independent administration is one of the most effective tools available to make a Louisiana succession smoother and less burdensome for your family. Including the right language in your estate plan can spare your loved ones unnecessary delays and complications at a difficult time.